discussing.
And this covers officials and possible involvement of hospitals, of course.
Oh, certainly.
This will be nationwide?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, may nabanggit ba si Presidenteng papalit na?
Parang may binanggit siya ka. Sino nga ba yan? Si Dr. Jaime Cruz.
Hindi ba siya, sir, present board?
Hindi, yun, private yun.
Si Dr. Cruz will be from and will be placed as what, sir?
Hindi ko alam kung sa PhilHealth siya. Basta may nabanggit siya na is waiting for the response of Dr. Jaime Cruz for an offer I think he made to him.
What is that offer, sir?
Eh, siguro position. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa PhilHealth yun o kung saan. Pero since we're talking about PhilHealth, most likely yun.
Okay, sir. So, basta Dr. Jaime Cruz, would you know where he's from, or?
Hindi ko alam ang kanyang background.
Jaime Cruz, sir, but we're definite about the name.
Yeah.
As in some position in the PhilHealth, right? Okay, sir. Yun muna. Thank you.